Are your FFmpeg Project apps crashing due to the audio-video codec 55.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. To start our guide for audio-video codec 55, you can follow the manual steps or use the suggested tool for workstation health. This is the audio-video codec 55, a legacy FFmpeg Codec library used by older media editors and screen recorders to decode compressed audio and video streams. It supports formats such as H.264 and AAC in earlier builds. If missing, legacy software may fail playback and display errors such as codec not found. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. Missing audio-video codec 55. DLL data often points to a failed patch within the FFmpeg Project integration, and reinstalling the latest version of the program where you saw the error will automatically replace the corrupted library. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the audio-video codec 55 file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. Since a standard reinstall didn't fix the library error, we need to perform an integrity check on the host program. If you are using a launcher like Steam or Epic, use the Verify Integrity of Game Files tool. For standalone apps, manually delete the application folder in your local app data directory before reinstalling to ensure no corrupted files are locked in the cache. Why are we doing this? Well, standalone installers often skip files that are already present or locked. Using integrity tools or clearing the app data cache forces a byte-for-byte replacement of your DLL file. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Ensure your PC remains under warranty and functional by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files like audio-video codec 55.dll. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. For users seeking a more stable workstation, the utility linked below references audio-video codec 55 configuration concepts. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing audio-video codec 55 from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.